What if our homes were made of dust?
Oh no! I just cleaned it up!
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, broom sellers might get very rich.
Seriously?
Yup, if our homes were made of dust, the sale of brooms may skyrocket. Broom sellers will definitely get rich. Secondly, some people might get very, very tired.
But why?
Let me explain. If our homes were made of dust, people who are sticklers for cleanliness may keep on cleaning all day long. They may get extremely tired. Lastly, we may wake up in a different place altogether.
You're kidding, right?
Let me explain. If our homes were made of dust, our homes might start floating in the wind. People may start waking up in completely new places.
To buy AumSum merchandise, visit AumSum.com.
What if sun stopped burning?
No problem. AumSum will provide light to all.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if sun stopped burning, it will not be visible anymore. Time to say goodbye to those beautiful sunrises. Secondly, if sun stopped burning, we may need to carry torchlights even during daytime. Thirdly, if sun stopped burning, humans along with animals may need to shift to a different solar system. Fourthly, moon gets its light from the sun. If sun stopped burning, moon may not stop crying. Fifthly, if sun stopped burning, planets of the solar system may try very hard to light up the sun again. Lastly, if sun stopped burning, people may not know when to sleep or wake up. Everybody will be confused. What if buildings turn upside down?
No problem. Super strong AumSum will lift them back up again.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, people living on the ground floor need to climb very few stairs. If buildings turn upside down, that situation may completely change. Secondly, top floors are very expensive because of their views. If buildings turn upside down, the view may not be any good now. Thirdly, some people love the fresh air on a terrace. If buildings turn upside down, they may move out of cities. Fourthly, some people love to have fancy glass items. If buildings turn upside down, they will not remain fancy anymore. Fifthly, if buildings turn upside down, new constructions may come to a halt. Building plans may be turned upside down. Lastly, some people love to live in fancy triangular buildings. If buildings turn upside down, triangular buildings will not be safe to live in anymore.